Open laser marking software as CAD. Import the vector file in DXF format. Ungroup the DXF file, then choose the graphics we need to engrave. Then click Invert Select, then delete the other graphics. Put the engraving graphics into the center of working space. Set proper laser parameters and click Red Light Preview to align marking position, then start to engrave. In this video, you can see we are engraving stone rings with our UV laser marking machine. We set 10 loops repeat engraving to get a good depth on stone. UV laser is most widely used for nearly any materials marking and engraving, especially for stone, wood, glass, leather, plastics. Now let's check the finished ring stone engraving effect. Looking pretty nice. If interested in our UV laser marking machine, please subscribe and leave your comments. Thanks for watching.